Welcome back to RCE Finance Guide, where we share insightful guides, tips, and tricks on how you can grow your money and finances or get better at managing it. In today's video, we're going to walk you through tax planning and some of the strategies you can use to optimize all possible deductions and file taxes efficiently. That's right. We're going to teach you the ways on how to plan for taxes in advance and help you to better understand tax brackets with brief but concise details of each, and a few given situation samples as well. So if you're ready to learn more, grab a cup of coffee and get ready to take important notes because we're about to get started. Chapter 1. Planning for taxes. When it comes to taxes, planning ahead is key. Now, we know taxes can be a daunting subject, but fear not, because planning for taxes becomes easy when you become proactive and organized. One of the first steps to effective tax planning is evaluating your financial situation and identifying potential tax liabilities. These liabilities could be your income, investments, and any deductions or credits you may be eligible for. For example, you're a small business owner and your tax season is fast approaching. What do? Well, first things first, you should gather all your financial documents and get them in order. This includes your income statements, expenses, and receipts. By being proactive in your tax planning, you can take advantage of various strategies to reduce your overall tax burden. Trust us, this step right here will save you hours of headache later on. With the first part on tax planning settled, let's go ahead and talk about optimizing tax deductions. Chapter 2. Optimizing tax deductions. We all want to keep as much of our hard-earned money as possible, right? If you didn't know already, maximizing your deductions is one of the most effective ways you can save on taxes. And learning how to optimize tax deductions is the key to protecting your income. You can start by keeping track of all your eligible expenses throughout the year. From medical expenses and charitable donations to business-related expenses, every dollar you deduct can help lower your taxable income. Here's one example on how you can optimize your tax deductions. Let's say you're a freelancer or you work from home. Did you know that you can deduct a portion of your home office expenses? That's right. By designating a dedicated space in your home for work, you can potentially save a significant amount of money when it comes to filing your taxes. Plus, you can claim deductions on business-related expenses like internet bills, office supplies, and even a portion of your rent or mortgage. Or given another scenario, as a big-time travel enthusiast with a side hustle, you do a bit of travel blogging and have an Instagram account full of your adventures. Now here's a way to optimize those tax deductions. When you're jet-setting to a cool location for a blog post, you can potentially write off expenses like your flights, accommodations, even some of your meals, as long as they're directly related to your travel blogging gig. Finding things to optimize for tax deductions is like finding hidden treasures that'll reward you with more money. But make sure to chat with a tax expert to make sure you're sailing on the right course. And don't forget to keep receipts and documentation to support your claims. Chapter 3. Understanding tax brackets. Now, let's tackle the puzzling concept of tax brackets. It's common that most people will find tax nature brackets confusing to grasp, but understanding them is crucial for effective tax planning. Tax brackets determine the percentage of your income that will be taxed. Here's a simpler way to understand it. Imagine you're climbing a staircase, with each step representing a different tax bracket. As your income increases, you move up the staircase, and the percentage of tax you owe increases as well. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all of your income is taxed at the same rate. Let's say you're in the 25% tax bracket. That doesn't mean your entire income is taxed at 25%. No, only the portion that falls within that bracket is taxed at that rate. If you were able to understand the concept of tax brackets with this explanation, then that's great. By first understanding the different tax brackets and identifying where you fall, you can make strategic decisions such as spreading out your income or maximizing deductions to stay within a lower tax bracket and minimize your tax burden. Chapter 4. Filing taxes efficiently. All right, so you've already planned your taxes, optimized your deductions, and understood tax brackets. Now it's time to file your taxes efficiently. The key here is to have all your documents organized and ready. Gather your W-2S, 1099-S, and any other important forms. If you're unsure about certain aspects, seek professional advice or take advantage of tax software that can guide you through the process. One useful tip is to digitize your documents, since filing electronically can also speed up your refund. Knowing about this strategy, you may want to consider taking advantage of online filing options instead of drowning in piles of paper. This way, when tax season rolls around, you can easily access and organize all the necessary information without tearing your hair out. Another time-saving tip is to use tax filing software or consulting a tax professional. These experts are well-versed in the ever-changing tax laws and can ensure you're not missing out on any deductions or credits that could save you more money. Chapter 5. Power of Professional Help. Building up on the last tip we previously mentioned in filing taxes, we're now tackling the power of professional help in handling your tax situation. While it's certainly possible to handle your taxes on your own, seeking professional help can have its advantages. Tax professionals can provide valuable guidance, especially if you have complex financial situations or own a business. They can help you navigate the ever-changing tax laws, ensure you're taking full advantage of deductions, and provide peace of mind that your taxes are being handled accurately and efficiently. And there you have it, friends. We've covered the basics of tax planning and strategies, from planning for taxes to optimizing deductions, understanding tax brackets, and filing taxes efficiently. To wrap things up, tax planning is a proactive approach that can significantly impact your financial well-being. By planning ahead, optimizing your deductions, understanding tax brackets, and filing efficiently, you'll not only save money, but also gain a greater sense of control over your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, do hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this valuable information with your friends and family. If you have any more tips you have on tax planning strategies, we'd love to hear it from you. So leave a comment down below sharing your insights. Remember, folks, taxes may seem complex, but with the right strategies, you can keep more money in your pocket. Staying organized, being proactive, and educating yourself on tax laws will also put you on the path to financial success. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again on another exciting episode here, RCE Finance Guide. Until next time, stay tax savvy.